What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kanina back with another friendly reminder. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Make sure you share this video with whoever you may feel that needs it. Oh, it's Friday. Yay, Friday. We're here. All right, so today we're going to be talking about how to embrace change, how to thrive in uncertain times. So we know that change is an inevitable part of life and it can be difficult to navigate, especially during uncertain times. However, embracing change is essential for personal and professional growth. When we learn to adapt to new circumstances and embrace new opportunities, we become more resilient and better equipped to face the challenges that come our way. So, here we're going to explore some strategies for embracing change and thriving in uncertain times. So, the first thing you want to do is acknowledge your feelings. We know that change can be unsettling, and it's important to acknowledge and accept our feelings about it. Whether it's anxiety, fear, or excitement, it's normal to have a range of emotions when facing change. So, by acknowledging our feelings, we can begin to process them and move forward. It's also important to remember that everyone reacts to change differently. So, it's okay to take some time and take the space that we need to adjust. The second thing we want to do is practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help us stay present and focused during times of change. Mindfulness involves being aware of our thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations in the present moment without judgment. By staying grounded in the present, we can reduce anxiety and stress and be more open to possibilities beyond, you know, what we know, new opportunities. Mindfulness techniques can include deep breathing, meditation, or simply taking a few moments to pause and reflect. It's it's so much easier to focus in the now than to worry about the past or to even worry about the present, because what you do now is going to set you up for the present. So you always have to remain in the now. Don't worry about what you went through in the past, and don't worry about what's going to happen in your future. Always think about the present. Worry about the present. What can you do now? So focus on what you can control. During times of change, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the things that are outside of our control. However, focusing on what we can control can help us feel more empowered and resilient. This might include setting goals, developing a plan, or taking action towards a specific outcome. By focusing on what we can control, we can build our confidence and make progress towards our goals. The next thing would be to seek support. Change can be challenging, and it's important to seek the support we need when we need it. This might include talking to a trusted friend or a family member, seeking professional counseling, or connecting with a support group. By seeking support, we can gain perspective and insights from others as well as feel less alone in our experiences. So be sure to have someone that you can vent to. Make sure that, this person is someone that you trust, someone that, is not going to steer you in the wrong direction. Make sure that this person is not going to spread your business around and speak to you, wisely without judgment. So the next thing would be to embrace a growth mindset. Open your mind to things. A growth mindset is the belief that intelligence and abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication. By embracing a growth mindset, we can view change as an opportunity for learning and growth rather than a threat. So, this can help us stay motivated and resilient during uncertain times as we focus on the potential of positive outcomes and personal growth. The next thing you want to do is take action. Change often requires us to take action, whether it's trying something new, making a difficult decision, or stepping outside of our comfort zone. Or even if we don't want to step outside of our comfort zone, we still take action. By taking action, we can build our confidence and resilience and make progress towards our goals. This might involve setting small, achievable goals, breaking down larger tasks into smaller steps, or seeking feedback and support from others. So you don't want to overwhelm yourself on, when you're trying to manifest greatness, when you're trying to embrace change and things are changing in your life, don't overwhelm yourself. Just do what you can and take action on the things that you know, you you see that needs to be done. And the last would be to stay flexible. During times of change, it's important to stay flexible and adaptable. You want to be able to adapt to any situation that may arise in your life. Who is Somebody is really basing out there. Why do I hear his bang in his trunk? So you want to stay flexible during times of change. Like, you want to be able to adapt to every situation that you're in. And, this might involve being open to new opportunities, trying new things, or adjusting our expectations and goals. By staying flexible, we can be better at navigating uncertain times and responding to new challenges as they arise. So we want to remain flexible. In conclusion, embracing change is essential for personal and professional growth. Get out my camera, fly. Close that door, baby, because the fly came in as soon as you open the door. Especially during uncertain times, like by acknowledging our feelings, practicing mindfulness, focusing on what we can control, seeking support, embracing a growth mindset, taking action, and staying flexible, we can thrive in the face of change and uncertainty. Remember, change can be challenging, but it also can bring new opportunities and possibilities for personal growth and fulfillment. So you want to make sure that you're open to it. All right, so um, my dog is barking now, so I guess it's time for me to wrap it up. All right, so y'all, thank you guys for watching. This has been your girl. Hold up. Thanks for watching.